In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,910 in commission just in one single month with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using organic free traffic. I will share with you my profitable affiliate product that I'm promoting as an Amazon affiliate marketer using free traffic. I will share with you how we can get free traffic without investing any money in paid ads and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I made this commission just in one single month, in the last month, from the first day of September until the day 30. Okay, so for people who want to make money and start affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing as beginners, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Click on the first link over here like this. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up like this and click here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You guys just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. That's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. This will be your home page. You should see your summary here, your commissions and your bunches here. Okay, so now we need to choose good products and profitable product that we will promote with Amazon affiliate to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting using organic free traffic from Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to get free traffic. Okay, so for people, if you guys don't have Pinterest account, it's super easy. Go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Let me show you. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. We can get so much traffic from Pinterest, guys. Millions of people are using Pinterest every single day, searching for specific products, services, searching for topics, and so much more. Okay, anyway, after you create your Pinterest account like this one, okay, what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search again for Pinterest trend. Search for this keyword, Pinterest trend, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. So what we will do is we will use Pinterest trend to see which products, which topics, which services are trending this month on Pinterest, and we can also target any country that we want. Okay, so you have here this option region. You guys can click here and choose which country you want to target, you want to choose. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna just choose United States. I will scroll down and here you go. This account will give you top trends in United States this month. This is the product that are trending on Pinterest in United States this month. Okay, you guys cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work or that you like. It doesn't work like this. You need to choose and you need to use Pinterest trend. You need to use product that people are searching for, product that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so here you go. We have this products for women, fall nails. We have this one, Halloween nails. This one looking really good. Fall outfit. You guys can click here and you can get more keywords. We have this one, cool sunglasses, pump. This is pumpkin painting ideas. This one is looking good for Halloween. You guys know that Halloween is very close, so so I will choose this keyword, guys. Okay, I will click on this one, Halloween nails. I will scroll down and let me see. We have this prediction. It's predicting that this keyword will go down. Okay, okay, let me see the past 3 months. See, so the graph is the graph right now is still going up. Okay, you guys can see we have this one, the predict the future. telling us that it can go up. Okay, anyway, we will use this one. So we are using free traffic. We will not invest any money in paid ads, so why not? We will give it a try. So what you will do next, you guys can see that the graph of this one is still going up in the past 3 months, which is really good. This one, Halloween nails. So what I will do, let me see, let's see when when uh, when Halloween 2024. I want to see it's on October 31. Okay, so today it's 23. It's really very close, so Halloween is very close. Okay, so I will choose this keyword, guys, Halloween nails. I will copy this keyword. Okay, what you will do next, pay close attention. Go to your Amazon account, open Amazon account like this one, your Amazon account. Okay, and click here on the search and search for Halloween nails. Search for this product. Okay, this product is trending on Pinterest. Search for this one, Halloween nails. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who provide this product. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers and sellers who has a lot of reviews, so we can promote this product on Pinterest. So let me see if we can find. Look, I think this one is good. Look, over 2,000 people paid for this product in the past month, which is really good. You guys can see this one. It's really good. Over 2,000 bought this one in the past month, so which is really good. We have, if we scroll down, we can even find more products here. We have this one, over 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month, which is really good. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one, guys, this one is over 2,000, which is really good. This is Halloween nails. I will click on this product like this. I will choose this one. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, and here you go. Click on the picture of this product. We will use this picture, okay? So just click on the picture like this and double click and click on save image, okay? Save this picture to your laptop like this. Save. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to your Pinterest account. Go and open your Pinterest business account. Click over here on Pinterest. Click on create pin, and here you go. Click over here and upload this picture that you download from Amazon. This one about Halloween nails. This product is for women. Click on the title. Go back to your Amazon account. Copy this title. I will copy just this part to show you guys how you can do it. I will go back to Pinterest, put this title here, description. I will go back to this Amazon product page. I will scroll down like this. You should see this about this item. This is the product description. You just need to copy this description like this and go back to your Pinterest account and put this description here. So we need to put our affiliate link here for this product. Go back to this Amazon product page, okay? And you guys, after you created your Amazon affiliate account, you will automatically should start seeing this bar over here. You see this one? Site Stripe, influencers and associate site Stripe. You should see this one in your Amazon account. Of course, you should already have an affiliate account with Amazon, okay? So what you will do to get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. So copy this link, and that's it. Go back to your Pinterest account, put this Amazon affiliate link here, scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, you can click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one for Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. So go back to this go back to Pinterest trend to this account and copy those keywords. You have this one, Halloween nails. If you scroll down, you should see this more keywords here. You see this one, related trends. Those are your keywords that you should copy and put those keywords here. Okay, so it's clear. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest. You guys can see your pin about Neil might be relevant to those growing trends. Guys, this is the proof. I'm sharing with you what's working. I'm sharing with you what's I'm using to get commissions. Okay, this product is trending. You guys can see, and you can see here. So start promoting. Guys, don't focus just on this one about Halloween nails. Okay, focus on any product related to Halloween. Halloween is very close. It's on 31 October. It's very close. Start promoting any products related to Halloween. Okay, use Pinterest, see which products are trending. Also promote all those products related to Halloween. Like I said, if you guys stay consistent, if you do more research, if you keep promoting consistency those products that are trending, I can guarantee to you that you will earn your first commissions just in the first few weeks. Okay, because you are promoting product that people are searching for. And also guys, the commission that I made, I want to explain this to make it clear. This commission that I made, it didn't come just from Pinterest. I'm not using from just Pinterest. I'm using also YouTube and TikTok. I'm focusing on those three: Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. And YouTube is the best profitable traffic source for me. Okay, I will still share with you the methods with YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are interested. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And for people who are asking that Pinterest will ban your account, if you guys have a new account, you guys can edit these pictures if you want. You can go to Canva and edit those pictures. You can add your logo, edit image, and add different colors, and you will be fine. Okay, also for affiliate link, it's fine for me. I'm using this method. I have been doing this for almost like 5 years. I'm still doing the same method, putting my affiliate link here and promoting those affiliate links on Pinterest. I never didn't get any suspended problems or banned problems with Pinterest. Okay, but for new accounts, if you don't want to use your affiliate link directly, you guys can go to YouTube, search for how to create an affiliate account. Okay, an affiliate website account, and you can use this website and put all your affiliate links that you want to promote with the product page and with the description, the titles in your website, and you can put this website here in your Pinterest pins, and you will be fine. There is no problem with this. I will still share with this with you guys. It's already available on YouTube. If you go to YouTube, search for how to create an affiliate website, you have limited videos showing you step by step how we can do it. But if you want me to make it, that's fine. I will do it for you guys. There is no problem. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys you see this video is good, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment affiliate marketing, so I can see that you guys are interested and I will make more videos. Okay, see you in my next videos.